Hello friends, my name is Sujit Tripathi and welcome to my YouTube channel मिशन मैथ्स स्टूडियो। फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी उम्मीद करता हूँ आप अपने घरों में बिल्कुल स्वस्थ होंगे और पढ़ाई का आनंद ले रहे होंगे। आज मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा लेक्चर लेके आया हूँ जो 11th का चैप्टर 1 है, सेट्स। और हम बहुत ही अच्छे से करने वाले हैं और ये वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखें। और अगर आपको लेक्चर पसंद आता है तो लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज़ अ सेट? A set is basically collection of all the elements of different kind. You can say a set is collection of all the objects of same kind. Okay, for example, the rivers of India, the rivers of Australia, a football team. As you know, in a football team, all the players play football. A cricket team, all the players play cricket. Okay, a set of all English alphabets. Okay, a set of vowels like A, E, I, O, U. So all these are examples of a set. Okay, friends. Uh, there are so many examples of sets. As I told you, a set of natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up to so on. This set of even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. This set of odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So basically these are the collections of the element of same kind. Okay. And you can take another example of set like set of various kind of triangles. Okay, so all these are examples of sets. Okay, I'm giving you a few more examples of sets which are frequently used in mathematics, like set of natural number which is denoted by capital N, set of N is set of natural numbers used in maths. Z, set of integers. Set of integers. Z plus set of positive integers. Set of positive integers. Then our set of real numbers. R plus set of all positive real numbers. Q, set of rational numbers. So there are these are the special example of sets which are used in mathematics. Okay, friends. Okay, now what is next? So I am sure you got the definition of sets. So basically I repeat again, sets are a well defined collection of elements of same kind. Okay, now what is next? Next is about representation of sets. How to represent a set? So a set is denoted by capital letter of English alphabet always, like I have shown here. N is set of natural numbers. So how to write this? This is look, N is capital letter. Set of integers is also capital letter. Set of positive integers is also Z plus. Set of real numbers is also capital R. So basically a set is denoted by capital letter of English alphabet. Okay, friends. Now how to represent a set? A set is represented in two ways. First is roster form and second is set builder form. Okay, so there are two ways to represent a set. First is a roster form. Now let's see what is a roster form. Okay, so suppose we have to write set of natural number. So how to write representation of sets? We have two ways to represent a set. First is roster form. Roster form, and the second is set builder form. So what is roster form? As I told you that set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N. So how to write it? N equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to so on. So look here, set of natural number is denoted by capital N, and we write all the elements by putting comma. We can separate them, okay, and all these elements are enclosed in a curly bracket always. Okay friends, so this is the roster form to represent a set. Okay, I'm giving you another example. This set of whole numbers. Whole numbers starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. So once again you can see that the elements are separated by putting comma, and all the elements are enclosed in a curly bracket, and set is denoted by capital W. So this is the set of whole numbers. Okay, now set of positive integer is denoted by Z plus. And what are positive integers? So starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this way we can represent the elements of a set by roster form. Okay, so basically what do we do in roster form? In roster form we write all the elements of that set. Okay, this is called representation of sets in roster form. Now what is uh, second? Second is set builder form. How do we write the elements of a set in set builder form? So set builder form is basically, in set builder form we write the property or description of the element on which it is based. Okay, we write about the description of the all the elements of that particular set. Okay, let's see. Second is set builder form. What is set builder form? In set builder form we write all the descriptions of a set. Suppose you are given a set. A is what? A, E, I, O, U. So this is roster form, as you know. This is the set of all the vowels in English alphabet. Okay, how do we write this in set builder form? As I told you earlier that we write the description, entire description of the elements in the set builder form. So look how to write. In set builder form we write this: x such that x such that x is what? What is the description here? All these elements are vowels of English alphabet. So we write like this: x such that x is a vowel of English. Okay, so look, what is this? This is a description of the elements written in the roster form. So this is called set builder form. Now let's take another example. As you know, big N is set of natural numbers 3 4 dot dot dot. So how to write this in set builder form? It's very easy. You write the description. What is the description here? All these elements are natural numbers. Okay, so x such that x is a natural number. So basically in set builder form we write the whole description of all the elements. Okay, so we say this set builder form. Okay, I gave you two examples. Okay, that's sufficient. So this was all about representation of a set. A set can be represented in two ways. First is roster form and second is set builder form. Now uh, some more topics. We have a set n 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. Now each of the element here, 1 is element of n, 2 is element of n, so we say 3 is element of n. Okay, now how to write them symbolically? This is, we can write them like this. 1 is element of n. काम नहीं कर रहा है ये. We say this one is, we say this one is element of set n. इसको हम कहते हैं element of. 2 is element of n. 3 is element of n. But if I write 1 by 2 is not an element of n, since 1 upon 2 doesn't lie in this given set, so we write like this: 1 by 2 is not an element of set of natural numbers. So this symbol is called is element of or belongs to. 1 belongs to n. This is called, this indicates belongs to. Okay, so 1 belongs to set of natural numbers, 2 belongs to set of natural number, 3 belongs to set of natural numbers, but 1 by 2 does not belongs to set of natural number. So if someone asks you questions for true and false, suppose I write here 3 by 4 belongs to n, then it's, is it true or false? Absolutely right, this is false, because 3 upon 4 is no element of set of natural numbers. Okay, so this statement, this is a false. Okay, good. Sometimes questions are given for fill-ups also, like 5 and n. So which sign to use of these two? 5 belongs to n or 5 does not belongs to n. So as you know, 5 is an element of a set of natural number. Yes, it is. So we use this symbol here. 5 belongs to set of natural number. So this is one more thing we did earlier. Okay friends, now we have discussed roster form and set builder form also. We will do more examples on the set builder form and roster form also. Let us see. How to convert a set from roster form to set builder form. Look, Suppose you are given a set S equals 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. So look, now you have to write this set in set builder form. So first of all, you just find out the property on which these elements are based. What is the property of these elements? Then you observe that 1 is square of 1, 4 is square of 2, 9 is square of 3, 16 is square of 4 and 25 is square of 5. Okay, so just write this description in the set. In roster form all these elements are given. In set builder form you have to write like this: x such that x equals to n square, where n is what? N is a natural number. And how many elements are there? There are 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5. So n is less than or equals to 5. Okay, you have to write like this in set builder form. First you identify the characteristic on which these elements are given in the roster form. So we observe that these are the numbers. First is element is square of 1, second is square of 2, third is square of 3. So basically all these numbers are square of the natural numbers. Okay, this is the description of these elements. So just write this description in set builder form. So I wrote it x such that x. We say this x colon x also. X such that x equals n square. You can use any other variable also instead of n. I am using here n only. एंड n बिलोंग्स टू n. n यहाँ पे एक नेचुरल नंबर है और कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं इस सेट में? देयर आर 5 एलिमेंट्स. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट एट लास्ट n इज लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू 5. So this way we can write a set given in roster form in set builder form. Okay friends, I am giving you some more examples also to clear your concept. Another example. Suppose you are given 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and up to so on. Let's end here. Let's take only 4 elements. Okay, so now you have to find the property on which these elements are given. What is their property? If you look here, then first fraction is 1 upon 2. Here denominator is 1 more than numerator. Second element is 2 upon 3. Again denominator is 1 more than numerator. This is 3 upon 4. Here again denominator is 1 more than numerator. So basically on these elements, the denominator of the element fraction is 1 more than its numerator. Okay, so that means what? If we take here x such that x equals n upon n plus 1. If we take numerators as natural numbers and we use variable n, then its denominator is n plus 1. And what these elements are? All these elements, there are 1 2 3 4 elements, so you can write here n is less than or equals to 4 and they are the natural numbers. You can write later on also. So basically there are 4 elements. There were 5 elements, so I wrote n is less than or equals to 5. Here there are 4 elements, so we write here n is less than or equals to 4. And all you have to put all natural numbers. Suppose if you take n equals to 1 here, put here 1, then you obtain 1 upon 2. If you put n equals to 2, then you obtain second element 2 upon 3. If you take n equals to 3, then you obtain next element. This way you can verify your answer also. If you put 1 and you don't get first element, that means something is wrong here. You can verify this way. So this is very important. Okay, so we discussed how to represent a set. So we can represent a set either in roster form or in set builder form only. Okay. Okay, another example. How to write a set from set builder form into roster form. Look, if you are given x such that x is a letter of word mathematics. Look, this is a set written in set builder form and you have to write it in the roster form. So how to write? X such that x is a letter of mathematics. Okay friends, so basically what do we observe? And in a set no element is repeated. Remember, in a set no element is repeated. कोई भी एलिमेंट रिपीट नहीं होता है, किसी भी एलिमेंट को हम एक ही बार लिखते हैं किसी भी सेट के अंदर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जब रोस्टर फॉर्म में हम लिखने जाएंगे तो हम ये देखेंगे कि मैथमेटिक्स जो वर्ड है इसके लेटर्स को लिखना है हमें. मतलब कितने इसमें लेटर्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं, कौन कौन से डिफरेंट लेटर्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं. ओके, all the elements remember all the elements of a set are different always. Okay, so let's write m is used, a is another letter, t, h, e, I, c, s. So look, m a t h e, m a t i c s. सो बेसिकली हमने यूज़ क्या किया कि मैथमेटिक्स में जितने भी लेटर्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं डिफरेंट लेटर्स, उनका जो कलेक्शन होगा वो यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा, रोस्टर फॉर्म में वो सेट बन जाएगा. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो ये मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया है कि कैसे हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म से रोस्टर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. सपोज एस इज अ सेट x such that x is a letter of word India. Okay, so how to write this in roster form? It's very easy. Look, how many different letters are used in this word India? So they are I, N, D and A. As you know, no element is repeated in a set, so we can't write I twice. Okay, so I and D A, this is the set in roster form. Okay friends, so तो फ्रेंड आज के इस लेक्चर में हमने 11th क्लास की वेरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो सेट्स है उसकी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज हमने कवर की है. ओके, और आई होप कि ये वीडियो आपको लेक्चर बहुत पसंद आएगा. ओके, तो ज़रूर इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें. फिर हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में जल्द ही मिलेंगे एक नए लेक्चर के साथ, जो और भी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं उनको भी हम कवर करेंगे. ओके, so stay tuned my YouTube channel Mission Maths Studio and keep watching my videos regularly, okay, to clear your concept. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.